The United States built walls. China found a door. What slipped through wasn't a whisper. It was a flood. And no one can stop it now. While Washington scrambled, Beijing moved silently, rewriting the rulebook of global technology. This isn't just about chips, it's about who controls the future itself. China didn't need a threat. It quietly built a chip US sanctions couldn't touch. Instead of chasing forbidden technology, they embraced RISC-V, an open-source chip architecture outside Western control. This strategic pivot allows them to design processors royalty-free, bypassing traditional choke points. Alibaba's T-Head unit developed a 5-nanometer RISC-V processor for AI workloads, directly countering NVIDIA's dominance. Meanwhile, Chinese firms produced RISC-V CPUs for domestic server networks, avoiding x86 and ARM dependencies. These moves surged China's chip production by 63% in 2024. RISC-V isn't just a blueprint, it's the demolition of the old gatekeeping model. Created to democratize chip design, it allows any entity to create processors royalty-free. In 2024, RISC-V designs outpaced ARM for new IoT products, signaling a tectonic shift. This open nature enables rapid adaptation. China's Star 5 released 3 RISC-V chip upgrades within 18 months, a cycle traditional licenses rarely match. This flexibility, combined with China's scale, weaponizes openness into market dominance. US sanctions designed to halt China's tech ambitions acted as a catalyst. China's government accelerated semiconductor subsidies, investing over $140 billion into domestic chip firms. Companies like SML retooled to manufacture 7-nanometer chips without EUV machines. Export bans forced rapid adaptation and fostered an ideological shift towards self-sufficiency. As experts note, sanctions in a complex supply chain don't stop development, they reroute it. The pressure hardened China's resolve, locking the US into a slower, reactive footing. Beijing isn't just insulating itself, it's reaching outward. China is methodically seeding an alternative tech ecosystem worldwide by weaponizing RISC-V's open architecture. In 2024, China signed 65 cross-border semiconductor deals focused on RISC-V adoption. Huawei's Harmony OS, now on over 300 million devices, is being rebuilt around RISC-V, avoiding US software patents entirely. Beijing envisions a world where US patents, sanctions, and export controls are irrelevant because the infrastructure itself bypasses them. While Washington focuses on traditional manufacturing nodes, China races into uncharted territories. Alibaba's Damo Academy announced the world's first commercially viable RISC-V-based neuromorphic chip. Tsinghua University unveiled quantum-secure RISC-V processors. These breakthroughs suggest China isn't merely catching up, it's vaulting into niches where the US has no dominant presence. If innovation defines supremacy, the battleground may already be lost in places Washington hasn't even fortified. Control isn't about who owns factories, it's about who writes the standards. By mid-2025, RISC-V processors captured 19% of global shipments, projected to hit 26% by 2026. Open-source consortia have shifted leadership outside US jurisdiction, neutering American regulatory influence. Traditional leverage points like licensing and patents are losing potency. The uncomfortable reality is that a hegemony isn't lost in a single battle. It's bled out through 1,000 quiet withdrawals. The global semiconductor future is writing its next chapter without Washington holding the pen. This isn't just a geopolitical chess match. It's a fundamental shift that will impact every device, every industry, and every nation. The rules are changing, and understanding this transformation is crucial for navigating the future. Don't be left behind in the dark. Subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analysis of the tech landscape. Share this video to inform others and leave a comment below with your thoughts on this silent revolution.